Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I've gotten a lot of requests. I taught Teenage Dream a little while ago. I'm going to include a link to that as well. But a lot of people have been asking me to teach how to play the intro part on that, because I just showed you how to do it with chords. So this is actually how you play the. So this is how you play the intro part. You can actually play it throughout the whole song. I think it's kind of hard to sing, and I think if you just did this one thing through the whole song, it would be like super monotonous and monotone. But if you want to play it for the intro and stuff, like you can, I've got a lot of requests for it, so I'm going to teach you guys how to play it. So if you guys have other requests, let me know. All right, in the comments. Also, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future, okay? So, all right, this is going to be in standard tuning, no capo. As you can see, you can use a pick. All right, I'm just using my fingers though. I think it's a little easier, but whatever you want to do. Okay, so, and remember, you can put your fingers, like you don't have to use the middle finger. If I do, you can use your ring or whatever. It's up to you guys, but this is how I like to play it. I think it's easier, so I'm going to show you. So what you're going to do is, all right, you're going to put your middle finger, this is what I do, again, use your own fingering if you want, but on the second fret of the A string, okay? And you're going to slide down to 4, just like that, okay? Can you hear that? So, boom, and then you're going to put your ring finger, all right? If you have an easier way to do it, that's totally fine. Your ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the E string. Sorry. Like that. So it's going to go dun, dun, just like that, okay? So 2 on the 2nd fret on the A string, you slide down to 4, dun, and then on the 4th fret on the E string, you're going to hit that, okay? Then you're going to take your middle finger off and you're going to put your pointer finger, okay, if you can see it up there, on the 2nd fret on the A string. So you're going to do 2 there, okay? And then you're going to put your middle finger down on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay? So I just pluck that with my pointer finger. So you, dun, dun, so you do D, A, dun, okay, then you slide back down. So you're just gonna repeat that. So you're gonna do slide from on the A string from 2 to 4, 4 on the E string, 2 on the A string, 2 on the D string, 2 on the A string, and then I switch back. So you notice I slide with my middle finger and I pluck it with my thumb. All right, so still plucking with my thumb. All right, so thumb, finger, pointer finger, pointer finger. Okay, and again you can pluck it the same however you want as well. But so 2 4 on E on A, 2 4 A E A D A D A D A. Okay, so you're just doing A E A D A. Okay, so watch my fingers here too. So I do my thumb on the A string on the slide, and then I do it again on the E. Okay, and then I do it at my thumb again on the A string, and then I do pointer on the D string, and then I do A again on the A string. Okay, so D is the pointer finger, A is the A string, and then I slide it and do the same thing. Okay, so you don't have to. I mean, it's so slow. You could just use a pick, or you can use whatever fingering you want. But that's how I do it. All right, so that's how you play it. Super simple. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments, and I'm happy to teach you guys this song or other songs or anything like that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.